In the rugged outback of Australia, a bizarre conflict unfolded. 1932. A war like no other man against emu. The emu horde, numbering 20,000, descended on farmlands, leaving devastation in their wake. The Australian government's response: to deploy soldiers armed with machine guns. A futile battle ensued as the emus, swift and cunning, outmaneuvered their human foes. Despite relentless pursuit, the soldiers struggled to contain the avian invaders. Days turned into weeks, but the emus stood strong, their population barely dented. In a bizarre twist of fate, the birds emerged victorious over their human adversaries. Thus concluded the Great Emu War of Australia, a strange chapter in the annals of warfare. Nature had triumphed where technology had faltered, leaving a legacy of resilience in the outback.